Interesting psychological facts about women, human body, and behavior. Welcome to our fascinating journey into the complex world of psychology, where we'll uncover intriguing psychological facts about women, their behavior, and the extraordinary connection between the human mind and body. Did you know that women tend to have heightened emotional intelligence, or that certain biological factors can influence their reactions and decisions? Let's explore these mysteries and dive deep into the science behind the mind, body, and behavior. Chapter 1: The Psychology of Emotional Intelligence. Illustrations of brain scans. Women in different scenarios like socializing, problem-solving, and offering emotional support. One of the most well-documented psychological differences between men and women lies in emotional intelligence. Studies show that, on average, women tend to score higher in emotional empathy. This means they are often better at recognizing and interpreting emotional cues in others. Their brains are wired for empathy and emotional expression, which may explain why they often take on roles as caregivers, mediators, and nurturers in both personal and professional settings. Research also reveals that women's brains have a larger hippocampus, the part of the brain involved in memory and emotional regulation. This might explain why women generally excel at recalling emotional events and connecting them to present situations. Chapter 2: How Hormones Affect Behavior. Hormones play a significant role in shaping behavior. Estrogen and progesterone, the primary hormones in women, influence everything from mood to cognition. For instance, during ovulation, many women experience heightened social awareness and self-esteem, driven by hormonal changes that boost brain function related to emotions and empathy. The fluctuation of hormones during different stages of life, such as menstruation, pregnancy, or menopause, can also greatly impact decision-making, mood, and stress levels. This fascinating connection between hormones and behavior is one of the most intriguing aspects of female psychology. Chapter 3: Body Language and Social Interaction. Body language is a critical form of nonverbal communication, and women often excel at using it effectively. Research shows that women are more likely to maintain eye contact, nod, and offer affirming gestures during conversations. This naturally helps them establish trust and rapport in relationships. Women are also more likely to use expressive gestures and face-to-face communication, which fosters deeper emotional connections. This behavior may be linked to their heightened emotional awareness, helping them navigate complex social environments with ease. Chapter 4: Multitasking and Cognitive Function. Ever wondered why many women are considered great multitaskers? It's not just a stereotype. Psychologists suggest that women tend to perform better when switching between multiple tasks. This ability may be a result of evolutionary adaptation, as women historically managed both domestic responsibilities and social networks. Studies have shown that women's brains tend to show better connectivity between the left and right hemispheres, which is thought to improve their ability to multitask and solve problems in more holistic ways. This wiring helps them manage both the big picture and the finer details, whether it's at work or at home. Chapter 5: Women's Intuition. Is it real? Women's intuition is often regarded as a mysterious yet powerful force. But is there science behind it? The answer is yes. The heightened emotional awareness and social perception women tend to exhibit lead to what many call intuition. Psychologists argue that women's intuition may stem from a more developed ability to read facial expressions, body language, and vocal tones. This skill allows them to process social situations faster and more accurately, making it seem like they have an almost instinctual ability to sense what's going on. Chapter 6: How Women Handle Stress. Under stress, women tend to react differently than men. Women are more likely to employ the tend and befriend strategy, focusing on building social support to cope with stress. This contrasts with the more typical fight or flight response seen in men. Hormones like oxytocin, sometimes called the love hormone, are released during stressful situations, helping women bond and seek comfort from others. This cooperative response to stress reflects the importance women place on social connections, which can be a powerful tool for emotional and mental well-being. Chapter 7: The Impact of Sleep on Women's Psychology and Behavior. Sleep plays a vital role in maintaining both physical and psychological health, but did you know that women often need more sleep than men? Studies show that, on average, women's brains are wired to handle more multitasking, which can lead to more mental fatigue. As a result, women may require about 20 minutes more sleep per night than men to recover. Lack of sleep affects women more strongly, leading to increased irritability, stress, and even a higher risk of depression. However, a good night's rest improves cognitive function, emotional regulation, and overall mood. Understanding the impact of sleep on women's mental health is crucial for maintaining balance and well-being. Chapter 8: Communication Styles and Conflict Resolution. Communication is key in every relationship, and women often have unique communication styles that emphasize empathy, listening, and collaboration. Women are generally more likely to focus on emotional expression and connection, which makes them adept at resolving conflicts through dialogue and understanding. During disagreements, women tend to adopt a relationship-preserving communication style, seeking compromise and emotional closure. This contrasts with a more direct approach that men might take. Psychologically, this aligns with women's inclination to foster harmony and reduce social tensions. These communication differences often help women build stronger personal and professional bonds. Chapter 9: Women's Brain Plasticity and Adaptation. The human brain is capable of remarkable changes throughout life, but recent research suggests that women might experience higher levels of brain plasticity, particularly when it comes to adapting to new roles, environments, or challenges. Women often show a strong ability to learn and rewire their brains in response to life changes like motherhood, career shifts, and emotional experiences. Neuroplasticity allows women to develop resilience and cope with changing circumstances, both mentally and emotionally. This flexibility is one of the reasons why women excel in various aspects of life, even when faced with unexpected challenges. Chapter 10: The Role of Mirror Neurons in Empathy and Connection. One of the most fascinating discoveries in neuroscience is the presence of mirror neurons, which are thought to be more active in women. These neurons fire when we observe someone else's actions, essentially allowing us to mirror their emotions and physical states. This is a key component of empathy, and it's part of the reason why women are often better at feeling what others are going through. Narrator: These neurons help women connect on a deeper emotional level, whether it's with friends, family, or strangers. By instinctively understanding and sharing others' feelings, women create strong bonds of trust and compassion, further emphasizing their natural affinity for social connections. Conclusion and final thoughts. As we've seen, women's psychology is an intricate tapestry of biological, emotional, and social factors. From emotional intelligence and communication to brain plasticity and empathy, these traits enable women to navigate a complex world with strength, grace, and resilience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of female psychology. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the human mind and behavior, and stay safe. See you on next video.